Do I think this product's gonna work? No, but I'll try anything at least once. This is a brand new launch by Fable and Mane. You guys know I love their hair oils. They came out with this moisturizing volume spray. I don't know about you, but moisture and volume do not flow in the same sentence for me. Because moisture in my hair usually means it's gonna be frizzy. So let's test this out. So it says to apply this root to tip in damp hair. Heat protection up to 450 degrees. Non-sticky, frizz-free. I'm gonna start with my bangs because they need the longest to set, and I'm going in with my Dyson. I'm gonna put them straight into rollers. Now that the top is done, I'm gonna do the rest of the hair with the air wrap barrels because it's just faster. So I'm not gonna put rollers in these because that's a lot of work, but I am gonna grab every couple and just pin them. These are now all pinned up, and we're gonna move on to this side. Now we just have this left, and I'm gonna quickly do the same. Okay, so I didn't film this, but I ended up putting the front two pieces in rollers, and for the back, I'm gonna do what I told you, roll it up and pin it to my head. I'm finally done. That took me about a half hour. I'm gonna keep this all in while I'm running errands. I do my makeup, all that, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. I'm back, and I've honestly had this in for like 2 hours. It looks rough, so let's start opening it. Okay, these came out bouncy today. As I take out the rollers, I'm gonna go ahead and twist. It's giving volume. I may have to eat up my words. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think I'm actually at a loss for words right now. I take back everything I said. I should have known Fable and Mane can do no wrong in my book. Moisturizing volume spray. It's a yes from me.